Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Pad 2, and today I will show you how we can enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and on the left side you'll find a bunch of toggles. One of those will be the Do Not Disturb toggle, which you can see right over here. Now we can tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function once enabled. Also, we do have access to schedule in here, so if you want to have a fully automatic mode, so you don't have to toggle it on off every time you want to use it, you can just use a schedule, and you can create new ones right here by pressing on the plus, edit the existing ones, set the start time, end time, and then days of the week. And if you want to obviously use a schedule mode, just toggle it on in here, and that's all you would need to do. For everyone else who just wants to use it manually, once it's set up in here the way you want it to run, you can close this, find the toggle once again, and simply tap on it. You know, select turn on, and there we go. As you can see, Do Not Disturb mode is on. And once you're done using it, you will need to remember to turn it off by default, so just find the toggle, tap on it once more, and this will disable it. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.